Good morning.
Good morning.
So today's a pretty exciting day for us. Despite being absolutely glorious, it's also the first day we are going to be living in our van.
Yeah, so we've had motels and stuff for the last couple of days, but yeah, we've just set Johnny up fully, so we're gonna live in the van today. And,
moving forward.
And just actually figure out what it's like for us to.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to be in that.
Welcome to Johnny. Johnny is a 2002 Nissan Caravan that we bought off a Brazilian guy that is now living here. We have changed a tyre yesterday because it needed a bit of work and done some wheel alignment. And then we've just been spending the last few days kind of getting stuff that we need because there's only the two of us in here, as well as just finding where we want to put things and stuff really.
Yeah, so we bought a bunch of kitchen stuff, we've got all our food ready, and then it's just last few bits. The van actually came with a solar panel, but it wasn't wired up. I had a go at wiring it up, and after much pain and tribulation, sold it. So I'm buying instead a solar panel that is a portable one that is designed to go with the battery that I'm going to attach it to. We'll show you all this later on the proper tour. But yeah, besides that, it drives well, you know.
Yeah, we like this one because it drove really nicely. Yeah, so we're going to find somewhere that we can pull over, just pack away the last few bits of food shopping and then
have some lunch. And also give you a proper tour.
Yeah. Cool. Bye. It is a glorious day.
Yeah, welcome to the sunshine in Tararunga. So we parked up, had some lunch, and now we're gonna give you a quick tour of Johnny.
Yeah.
So the reason he's called Johnny was because the guy we bought him off said his name was Johnny, and that was a name given to him by the first owners. So yeah. So pretty simple in the front.
This is the van.
Yeah. This is the van part of the van.
Yeah.
But it has everything we need. It has like even just a Bluetooth radio.
Yeah, it made a lot of difference.
Yeah.
Got a little solar panel as well to charge the second battery.
So yeah, solar panels, they're literally just to trickle charge the battery. And then we can give you a little peek inside, but we'll go around.
So this is Johnny.
Hello. So yeah, this is our new home. We got a really nice bed. It's one of the things actually about this van that we kind of were interested in.
Yeah.
The only problem is it's a full bed. So we have the ability to convert it into seating kind of with a table in the middle. However,
just means we gotta cut the mattress.
Yeah, and the mattress would make us sad if we have to cut it. So we're gonna give it a go with like this for a bit and go from there. But yeah,
it would be useful to have a table.
It would be. At the front, obviously we have our porthole through, which we can close up at night. One gas cooker, which we have the gas bottle down here for, but it's empty, so we need to get some more. As you see, we've
filled it,
packed it up. And if you show us the bottom, babe, still absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, got everything there. We got our water system here, so that's fresh water. We got the grey water there, which under the sink, nice electric sink. makes our lives a bit easier. All our spices up here. We got a nice LED light system. So under this cool box, in there is a second battery. That second battery is there mostly to run these lights, the electric pump on those, and we do have an inverter here.
Yeah.
But we're going to try to avoid using the inverter when we can because we have this. So this is a EcoFlow River. It's basically a big power brick, but it's a power station is what they're called. So this will run pretty much everything we have. Oh, it's off at the moment. So yeah, at the moment it's full. And yeah, we're just going to try and run everything off that, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to buy a solar panel for it.
Yeah. So
hopefully we can charge it when we get somewhere.
yeah, so this van actually, oh, you cannot see me. There you can. So this van actually came with a solar panel. I tried wiring it up, but I didn't have much luck with it. And rather than have to sort it out, I just got rid of it. It's paid a little bit more to get one that fits the EcoFlow. So it's a portable solar panel, but it can charge it in optimal conditions, like today. It could charge it, I think it's in about 4 hours or so, 4 or 5 hours. But yeah, I'll show you a bit more. Hey. So yeah, it can open from the inside as well. And then I'll let you show what's in here.
Dave enjoying the view.
Yeah.
And then yeah, we've got storage that goes all the way through. So we just got bags and stuff in there. And then we've got all...
So we got a camping table, 2 camping chairs, this underneath there is where the bathroom is, because to Freedom Camp we have to have a toilet. So we have a toilet in there. What else do we have in there? We have
the water canister and the gas stove as well
That's
for
it.
cooking.
And there's one other thing. What am I thinking?
The pole for the table.
Yes, that's it. So you can see the table. So it'd come up. So basically what we would need to do is cut probably this, Alex really fell over. We probably need to cut this into thirds, which...
Yeah. Then it just gives you seam.
It gives, yeah.
Debating.
Yeah, we don't know yet.
But it would give you space to sit, and then we could have dinner and stuff in the van.
And we have nice little touches like fairy lights, which you can't see at the moment.
No.
So all our clothes are in here. Literally all our clothes are in there. So we do have our jumpers and jackets all
Cubby
here.
hole.
A little cubby hole that goes quite far, like, you know, down. And then we also have in here all our kind of stuff that we can put away. So charger cables, that sort of fun stuff. But yeah, so it's pretty much got everything we need. It's pretty great. We're actually sleeping in it first time tonight. Probably not where we are, even though there is a Freedom camping area. We just think we'll try another one and see how we get on.
Go to one that's by the beach.
Yeah, this is by the port. Turn that off. This is by the port, but we're gonna go for one by the beach. And yeah, just relax, enjoy the van, and you can sit upright. That's one thing we wanted to make sure. It's just, if we're both doing work, it's nice to have a table. Now this folds out to a table, like a little lapboard table, but you know, we wanted something that had an actual table, which is under here. But yeah, we're really happy with it. We got a spare tire, a new tire put on, and there's a couple other bits we just want to have a look at. But it's nice to drive. Everything seems good. We've had lunch, that was all right to kind of cut up everything. It's just going to be a learning experience. One thing we forgot to show you, the fridge.
Ah, yes.
We have the cool box there, which we can hold stuff in and it's fine. But we actually do have, if I show you, if I undo that and pull that out, we have a Brass Monkey fridge, which everyone says are kind of the best ones about. We actually haven't got it plugged in at the moment. It can run off the inverter or it can run off the EcoFlow. We just put some stuff in it, just veg. Stuff that doesn't need to stay super cold but is better in the dark. Yeah, so we will have to plug that in when we need to, but yeah, Johnny the van. As you can see, plenty of room to relax. Plenty of storage. But yeah, it's oh, there we go.
It's going to be a learning curve.
It is. But we're really looking forward to it. Yeah, and that's the back of Johnny. This normally is like a reflector so you can see the back, but because of the headboard you can't. But yeah, this is the important thing. It means we can go to places like where that guy is. That's a Freedom Camp area. So as long as you're self-contained, you can stay there for normally about 2 nights.
Yeah, they're normally just marked off with a green section, or some places you can just pull up anywhere. But you have to check per area for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, here they're all in car parks, and then there's like public toilets
Around the corner, yeah. And then, yeah, so I think it looks pretty, like, relatively stealthy at the moment.
Still got all the old, like, stickery bits behind.
Yeah,
So.
like parts. The other thing we're thinking about doing is putting a roof rack on,
Potentially, yeah.
just so we can get an awning on the other side, just because it would help for, just have a bit more outdoor space, wouldn't it?
Just going to see how much money we've got left over before we do that, aren't we? And if we actually feel like we need one.
Yeah,
See what the weather's like.
see what the weather's like. From this one. So yeah, quick tour of the van. Hello. We so far are happy with it, and we are looking forward to showing you our adventures with the van. That's kind of a big thing for us as well. It's just a different way to travel, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll see if we like it.
Yeah, we may hate it, but I don't think that's going to be any fault of Johnny.
No.
See you later.